Holding to frog. A first one. The tadpole is turned to egg and turned to tadpole. And turn this is a long-legged tadpole. And turn this because this is two types of froglets. We got like this the tadpole. The tadpole is get ready turn to another froglet and turn to this froglet and turn to frog. That is how the tadpole get adulting. Bye-bye guys.
Sana na kayong nakukulong yan. Tutubos at tutubos ito pa rin yan.